Today is all about the alpha trend strategy. I want you guys to understand how you can use this indicator, alpha trend, to make profit trading Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. This is one of the top indicators I've seen out there in should I say on Trading View that I think is not that I think it is free for anyone out there who is exposed to TradingView. That means anyone who have or who use TradingView, you can get this indicator for free. And the name of the indicator is Alpha Trend. I'm going to show you guys how you can get it and which one to get it. You are welcome back again. Yeah, I'm your guy, the Beton. Always happy to bring videos like this to you guys, videos that can help you to make amazing profits in this brutal crypto industry. You can see the market is in an uptrend. What I mean by the market, I mean Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and anyone who trades altcoins knows that when Bitcoin is showing the flavor, then it's time for you to always be in the altcoins that have the flavor or that is going to move alongside Bitcoin. And the best way to know which coin is in a good shape to buy is when you use such indicator like this alpha trend. So if you say this is your first time here, as I mentioned, this is the Beton crypto show, where I create content to help you, invest sustainably in this brutal crypto industry. So you want to go, smash that subscribe button, like, share if say such content interests you. Having said that, let me dive right away into what I got for you guys. This is gonna be amazing, so stay tuned to the end, guys. This is the alpha trend. I already set it up on my chat, and what we are looking at right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin hit almost $36,000 per Bitcoin. That's cool. This is the daily time frame. I think that was how many days ago? 3 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 5 days ago, Bitcoin almost hit 36,000. Right. So now looking at this alpha trend indicator, it tells me that we're gonna see some sort of retracement for Bitcoin to this area. Yeah. Because that's where the alpha trend is heading towards, and this is exactly the area where I predicted. Like last time, you see, I drew this. I haven't yet taken it out. That Bitcoin will make like this and come back to the bottom, and Bitcoin is gonna retest that zone. But now, I don't want to talk about like what Bitcoin can do or what Bitcoin cannot do. I just want to also talk about this indicator. For you to get this indicator, you have to go to TradingView. If you don't yet have TradingView, make sure you download TradingView on your computer. You have to use this on your computer. TradingView, the link to TradingView is below this video. That is at the description of this video. You're gonna find the link to get your TradingView, and you're gonna get up to 30% off if say you use my link. Now, to get this indicator, go to this indicator section on TradingView, click on it, just type alpha trend, trend. Is this alpha trend screener? Yeah, this alpha trend screener by Kivan Bilgic. Yeah, this one, the first one, I have marked star there. So make sure you mark star. Also, when you mark star, you're gonna go to your favorite, right? So do that. Then alpha trend screener by Kivan Bilgic. I don't know if what that is. So get it on your chart. Now, I'm also gonna show you guys another indicator that I use. This is for free. This is my my own indicator that I created using ChatGPT. This is the moving average, volume, divergence, support, and resistance. It's not, you cannot find it on. I can only give it to you through the, I can like send the code to you and you insert it, or like you run it on your TradingView. And so make sure you like comment below if you want the code. But let me show you guys how I use this. So let me bring the indicator here. So this is it. Now what I do is I like when I must have like gotten the indicator on my TradingView, right? This is what instigate me, or this is what I want to see, right? Or before I even tell you guys, I'm not going to try to explain to you guys like the different function or what you see on here. This alpha trend, let me take it back. Let me first of all explain to you guys the alpha trend indicator before I can bring in the moving average. So this alpha trend indicator it works mostly in an uptrend. Like when price is in an uptrend, that's when you want to use the indicator, or that's when you want to apply this indicator, or you're gonna see the full strength of this indicator. Now, in a trending market, like be it either downward trend or upward trend, you're gonna understand more. And what I want to see is on a daily time frame. I want to see buy. When I see buy on a daily time frame, I go on smaller time frame to look at what price is doing. That is the daily time frame first. For example, let me go back so we can see if we can like take price to the like backward, so we can now. Yeah, so now the market is going down, right? This is on the daily time frame. Market is going down. Let me just press play so we can follow up. Yeah, okay, so let's see. I think the indicator is not showing here on this replay. Let me see if I can place the indicator here. I don't know why the indicator is not showing on the replay. Okay, this is not good. Alpha trend. The indicator is not showing. Let me go to the lower time frame. If so, I can see it there. Actually, okay, I can see it on the lower time frame. All right, so let me see if it can go now. Okay, yeah, still it's not going. I think I'm gonna stop this. Maybe I show you guys like maybe I just show it to you in a different way, like how it works. So now let's say I zoom this, you can see there's so many buy sell and like signal here that is the indicator will give you, and you can see here that most at times these signals respect itself, right? So for example, let's say right now we have a buy signal, like not as let's say we have a buy signal right now on Bitcoin. You can see here that if say you were using this indicator, you would have been in this trade like in Bitcoin already. So how I use this is whenever I see a buy printed on the indicator, I wait for pullback. And pullback is gonna be where price is gonna come back to where it started, like where the like you can see, or you can. Sorry guys, let me take it again. When you see a huge candle like this, where price close, go to the middle of that candlestick, go to the middle and place a buy order. Whenever you see a huge candle like this, where the candle close, like this, talking about this area here, this zone here, go at the middle. That's when you want to place a buy order, or you can also place the buy order below, but you want to place the buy order when like at the middle of the candle, like not this week. Don't include this week here. This is not included. This one up here. What is included is the body of that candle, like this juice here. Go to the middle. That's where you want to place a buy order. If say the market is in an uptrend, you're gonna catch it, and if say the market is in a downtrend, of course you can place you can put your stop loss below this candle or below here. And once that happens, guys, you can also go to the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, to see, okay, now this is the zone where you would have bought, right? So on the alpha trend, you can see here that at this stage we saw this pump and price came back to this zone here. So this was the area you would have gotten, you would have got in, right? And boom, you would have taken the ride to the upside. And now you would have been looking at ways to take out profit from this bad boy like Bitcoin, because when you start seeing consolidation like this, it means two things: either price is about to go back to the downside, like retrace back to the downside, or price is gonna keep going to the upside. Right? In this case, I can see here that price is consolidating, because if I go to like, let's say, to the 1 hour time frame, I can see clearly that price has been rejecting this zone and we are trading sideways, and price is below the alpha trend, and alpha trend has printed a sell signal on the 1 hour time frame, and it has been a long time since the alpha trend printed any signal on that time frame. So in this case now, I'm going to take that that signal seriously, because looking at that signal, it has been a long time. If say we look down here, you see the last time price printed buy was right down at this area here, this zone here. And what I've learned so far, with crypto or the financial market, is that price move, in like up and down. So whenever you see price like this, it's healthy to say there's liquidity here in this area. Investors or market makers are going to try to push price to this area. Price must come back here to retest this zone, and if say the bulls are able to hold the market, then price will make its way to the upside. Okay, another beauty of this indicator is that I'm going to also add to you add the moving average, so I can we can get more data here before we place any trade. You don't just place a trade like that. You have to make sure you understand or you are safe to go. Now there's this area here. You can see this like the alpha trend screener. So this is the screener. It tells you which coin is up, like which coin is doing well on different time frames. Like on the 1 hour time frame, it seems as if Binance is in an uptrend. No, BNB is in an uptrend. Doge is in an uptrend. Solana is in an uptrend. TRX, that's Tron, is in an uptrend. If say you go to the 4 hours time frame, it's going to show you the coins that are in an uptrend. You can see here Binance, BTC USDT is in an uptrend, Ethereum, BNB, ADA like Avax, Chazy. So you can see all the coins. You don't have to go to like start taking them one by one. You can see all the coins that are in an uptrend from this screener, and it's very nice, guys, that you see that like it gives you all this data. Now to really make your decision easier when you use the indicator is you have to make sure you add like moving average there to give you some juice, like some kind of direction where price is at right now. In this case, I have this indicator that I created myself, or I use chat GTP to create this indicator, and I call this the moving average. Right, so here we have the 200-day moving average, we have the 50-day moving average, we have the 20-day moving average. I'm gonna like explain to you guys what I want to see here. If say like when I want to say price is gonna reverse, or when I want to say price is gonna like bounce back. Now the rule is whenever price hits any indicator, like mostly the 50-day moving average, this is the 50-day moving average, this indicator here, this one is this moving average is the 50-day moving average. Whenever price hits the 50-day moving average, we're going to see some sort of reaction to the upside, like price is going to make its way to the upside. And usually price have to break this zone here, this area here. Like we're gonna see break of structure usually before before price can get to the, like if say like we want to confirm a downtrend, then we have to see a break of structure, before price get to the 50-day moving average. But if say price get to the 50-day moving average and there's no break of structure, then we can expect a continuation, like a trend continuation. Yeah, a trend continuation. I think that's the right word to use in this case. So when you see a trend continuation, it means it's the right time for you to keep holding. Now this indicator, this alpha trend indicator, it has different things that you should also understand, so that you can apply to your trading, when you use it. There's this when alpha trend is consolidating, like when price is moving sideways after an uptrend, like you can see, look at this this should I say green, this green printed here, and this red along the side. It shows that we are in an uptrend. But when we are in a downtrend, you're going to see more of the red, this red. You can see here red. But right now, if say price start trade below this, like below the alpha trend, if price goes below and it's not able to make its way, price is not able to make its way back, to the upside, then that's when you want to sell. And you sell only when price have printed a sell, but it's like a sell signal. Of course, not all the time the sell signal is gonna be valid, right? That's why you have to make sure where the trend is. Like in this case, you can see that the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average is above each other. Like it's like it shows that price is in an uptrend. But if say price is below the 20-day moving average, below the 20-day moving average, below the 50-day moving average, it means that price is in a downtrend. So in that case, now you'll be looking at short. But in this case, you're looking at long, like to keep staying in your trade or to keep being in the market. You don't feel discouraged or you don't feel as if price is gonna go down. So like you would have let's say for example, if say you are trading this using the alpha trend, it can also help you to take your stop loss, because usually your stop loss can, if let's say your stop loss you bought down here, you would have bought your stop loss to this area here, this zone here, because it's below this area. Because if price break, price is gonna come back then before price can make its way to the downside. It's really important, guys. I'm going to create more videos about the alpha trend, and if you have more questions, you can ask your questions. If you don't understand anything here, you can ask questions, and I'm going to do my best to explain to you more better, because I really want you guys to understand how to use this alpha trend to trade. And for me to confirm pullback, also on the higher time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame, right? I try to make sure that like price is sitting above this. I look, this area to me is like support and resistance. The blue moving average represent support. The red in the middle represent the 200-day moving average. Then should I say the green, it represent I think that's the support. Yeah, the support. Or no, it's a resistance. The other way around, like if say for price is in a downtrend, that acts as resistance. For now, it's like just moving or acting as, let's say, area where I think price might bounce back, because when price get to support and resistance, in this case, when price hit those two candles, it get to this area here, I always consider it as a zone where I decide, okay, am I gonna go long? Or if say price comes there, price must bounce back. You can see, for example, let me give you guys an example here. You see, price was moving side, like we saw this upside, and price came back to this zone here. After price came there, price bounced back to the upside. You can see clearly what this indicator is doing. So guys, I think there's so much that this indicator provides or it offers. I think you can pay attention to it. It might help you. I can see Sublas Hub says, please do analysis on Casper. Okay, today I just want you guys to, let's just see if we can apply the alpha trend on Casper. Let's see if I can bring Casper here. You have been talking about Casper for some time now. Let's see Casper. Let me see if we can apply that on Casper. Okay, Casper. Let's see. Perpetua, is it? Do we have Perpetua? Casper USDT. Okay, it's on Bybit. Okay, is it Casta? No. Casper. Is it Casper? I don't know which one is it. Is it Casper? Casper. Let's see, Casper. USDT. Maybe it's Casta. Is it Casta? I don't know. It's not giving me. It's not giving me what I think. I think it's Cast. Let's see if it's Cast. Using this indicator, there's not much data here. Let me take out this one first. So, moving average. Okay, you can see on the 4 hours time frame. If say you use this, you can see how it respects itself in an uptrend. after a downtrend. You see, it printed this buy signal here, and look at this reversal here. Wow, this is just, I mean, it plays just exactly what I mentioned. Look at this reversal here. If say you place a buy order at the middle, as I mentioned, your buy order would have executed. That's setting a limit buy order, and you would have taken price right to the upside. Right. So looking at the chart, there's not much data here for me to analyze on the day on CAS. That's CAS. Is this a new coin? I don't know if it's a new coin. Let me see on the lower time frame. Okay. So I think there's not much data here for me to analyze, so I cannot really tell. But in setting the alpha trend indicator here, it's going to help you to protect yourself. So because I told you, when you see price below, look for a sell order, and only sell when you see like a buy signal. Let me go to the lower time frame. Only sell when you see a buy signal. And if you don't see a buy signal, don't sell. There's also another indicator that I use. I'm not going to talk about it right now because it might confuse you guys more. But is this vector candles, and I use it differently. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we saw a buy printed here, this area here, and price retraced back. Then price moved to the upside, and we saw a sell here, and price, and also you would have sold, or wait for pullback and you sold, and wait for price to print another buy. I mean, if you keep doing this, you can make a really good profit long term. Of course, you won't be winning all the time, but most of the time you will win, and that's what matters in crypto. If you're able to do to manage your risk, you can make more profit. I think to an extent, that's it for today. I don't want to make this video to be so long. That's 20 minutes is enough. I'm gonna create more videos around the alpha trend. I'm gonna share with you guys how you can use it. Maybe I'm gonna do most of my analysis on using alpha trend now, so you guys can understand it much better, and you can apply it, on your own. That's the idea. I want you guys to be able to apply this. Maybe now is the first time for you to hear what it is and how I use it, or maybe I didn't really explain it to you the way you should understand it. But I think if you keep watching my videos and asking questions, I'm gonna really try my best to explain to you. But the alpha trend is really good. You can you don't have to change anything when you insert it. You just have to allow it the way it is. Don't change anything. You don't have to change anything, and you react to it when you see price reacting to it. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if say you did enjoy it, and you want me to keep if say you did enjoy it and you want me to keep creating content around this indicator, then make sure you subscribe, and you comment below. Create more videos about alpha trend. I'm gonna do just that for you. It says Casper, not Caster. Okay, but I think I got try to always give me the abbreviation, like in pair, that is the pair in USDT. Like if, for example, CAS USDT, CAS, so it's easy for me to find the right chart. Next time I'm gonna do it. But if it is what I just analyze right now, then I think if say you use the alpha trend indicator, it can help you. But without any indicator, it'll be difficult for you to actually do it properly. All right, guys, bye bye, and take care of yourself.